Hello, YouTube. Welcome back to Learning Life and Loving Radio Skinners. Hello, everybody. Happy late Halloween. Wow, yesterday, guys, was some. Yesterday, I, I, I have to say, today, I just feel, after taking a shower and waking up early, I just feel so darn relaxed right now. Just so energized about today going with my daddy Joe. I'm just super excited about it and looking forward to it. Now, some also I'm looking forward to this weekend is also seeing my Papa White. Seeing my Papa White is going to be a treat for me, and I feel so very excited. I feel really looking forward to it. Now, another thing is if I post my YouTube tomorrow, it might be a late upload, okay? Just to give everybody a heads up, okay? So, I'm gonna turn you guys around to my TV. Right now, I'm currently watching this guy right here, and this guy's name this is his channel. It's called Travel with Chris. And I gotta tell you guys something. This guy does it made. This guy is currently in China right now, and he's currently on a travel visa right now. And what makes this video really great is that he's showing his entire journey inside China, which a fun fact about that area is China. If you would like to get off their Great Firewall of China, what you guys have to do is get on a VPN, which is a virtual private network, or do something like what I would do, bring your Google Pixel with you and get on the Chinese internet there and just see what it does, because using a Chinese SIM card might not be that easy, because learning Chinese, everybody does that. So if you guys are new to my channel and wanting more and more every day, please make sure to hit that subscribe button, ding that notification bell. And some days, you guys, I'm thinking about maybe taking a little break from YouTube, because some days makes really good radio feeds and some days make really good stuff. So, like, the first thing that makes it really great and some that makes it interesting is that sometimes the radio feeds inside several different areas. So, like, the first area is like whenever you guys go to like Las Vegas and listen to like the Clark County system, you guys got two problems there, okay? The casinos might not let you listen to it, or the other one is whenever you listen to it, you get your own visibility of like checking that out, which makes it really kind of interesting. So another thing is whenever you guys go around and like check out the radio feeds every day, it's like whenever you guys go check those out, I gotta tell you guys something. Just checking out radio feeds and doing that like every day, like checking out radio reference, that really makes a difference in your radio scanner journey, because in a lot of places in the United States, like for instance, like if you guys are going to like the Indiana Military Museum, like how I did with my daddy Joe. It's like the Reyes Skinner feeds when 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 whenever you guys go around and like go check that out, you guys got so much to listen to and like so much to do in like several different areas. Like another area is, which makes it really interesting by all means, is that the Rhea Skinner feeds in several different areas of the United States. Like there can be interesting Rhea feeds like in China, but we don't know because their Rhea feeds, if we listen to it, we have to listen to it like on a Baofeng UV5R or on a Baofeng DM1701 because that's the only choice that we have to listen to the Rhea Skinner feeds, okay? So, also, another thing is whenever you guys go like to Niagara Falls, Canada, Niagara Falls, Canada does it really differently there on their Rhea Skinner feeds, which makes it really interesting. Is that whenever you guys do two things every day, like like doing two things every day, like listening to Rhea Skinner feeds and like checking those out like every day, you guys can do like a match on each feed, which does it really good. So, like, the first feed that does it really good is like the first feed, which I think is really good to download, is an app that I like to use, and this app is called Skinner Radio. Skinner Radio is such a good app for an Android, and you could get like Skinner Radio on like your other softwares, which makes it really interesting by all means. In another area which does it like really interesting is like whenever you guys go around, you guys go check those out, you guys go listen to it, like check it out every day. Listening to radio scanners can really help you guys out no matter what. All right. So the first thing that makes it really kind of interesting, and this is just a thing that makes it really interesting for me, is that the radio scanner feeds, like looking around several days, and like go check those out, like interesting feeds, and like checking those out. You guys got a match some days. Like like you guys gotta match your radio feeds and you guys gotta match those like every single day and like the radio scanner feeds that you guys match so much, which does an remarkable job every day. It's like I feel sorry for last night on that downtown Orlando mass shooting that I heard on live on Fox. Now, after hearing about that and after looking at that, that right there makes it really different. All right? You got to keep those guys in your prayers. Now, another thing is whenever you guys go around and like listen to it, you guys got so many like different areas and like so many like different stuff. You guys got really like different stuff like every day. So so I I I I I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, please, you guys, if you guys are having a bad day, just look at the Rio Scanner feeds in your area and just think how grateful you are to be alive. All right, guys, that's it. Have a great day, you guys, and I will see you guys back here tomorrow.